Welcome to a video tutorial on Blackboard 9.1. In this tutorial, we are focusing on the control panel that is brought to you by the Center for Instructional Innovation at Brandman University. What we are reviewing today is an overview of the control panel and its functions within Blackboard 9.1. First, we are going to enter our course by selecting it from our list. Once we are in, you're going to want to ensure that you are in fact, edit mode. As you can see, my green light is on, so I know I am in edit mode. If I click this again, my edit mode is now off, and this is the student view. For what we're going to do today in this tutorial, we want to make sure this edit mode is on. So we're going to click that one more time. Now that I have the green light, I know I am good to go. So I'm going to scroll down here to the bottom left side of our screen. All of your course's administrative functions can be accessed in the control panel under the course management area. Students do not and cannot access this. It is only available to instructors, TAs, course builders, and system administrators. This is going to be your typical view when you're logging into your Blackboard course. These panels are collapsible menus, so if I click on Control Panel, I can collapse and expand the menu. Now, anytime I see a button here with two downward-facing arrows, this means more. So as you can see, I have a list of other items under Course Tools. Also, you'll notice to the right there might be a gray arrow. If I click on that, it will load in the right-hand side of more options available for that item. Now, no, we will not be looking at all of these tools since this is an overview, but don't forget to refer to your Blackboard 9.1 instructor workbook for a more in-depth look at these items. Also know, there will be more materials coming your way from the CII in relation to this new version of Blackboard. Let me start by pointing out a few of the tools that we already use. The first menu option is Content Collection. This feature is used at Brandman for the university-wide assessment program initiatives, and you and the instructor will not be using this. So moving down, the next item in our course management menu is Course Tools. This menu gives us a plethora of tools that you can use inside of your course. However, focus on utilizing the tools you currently have in your course and check out a few others that look interesting to you. Okay, let's take a look at some of these tools you can utilize when facilitating your course. Announcements. This is a place for you to go and actually post your course announcements. Very quickly, you just click Create Announcement and it will generate an announcement for your students. The glossary gives you the option to create a glossary specific to your course content. Now, this is a new tool and you may not use it. However, you may want to try this out if it makes sense with your course content. We will not be using live text SSO in this menu. Send email. This is actually a fantastic feature that gives you the ability to email all users, groups, and specific people within your course. We will not be using the soft chalk items in this menu. Tasks is another new feature in Blackboard 9.1, so be sure to look for more training on this later from the Center for Instructional Innovation. Test surveys and pools is the location in which you can create these items for your students. Voice announcements. This is a very easy tool to use, and students can really appreciate the variety from just text-driven types of announcements, so I encourage you to try this out. Let's move down to our evaluation area. This is where you go to get information about student activity, not grades. And this is where you can generate reports. I encourage you to look at the performance dashboard. This is the easiest way to see the amount of times students are in a course. It's a great tool. In the earlier version of Blackboard 8, the Grade Center was actually under evaluation. However, in Blackboard 9.1, the Grade Center has been pulled out and put directly into the course management control panel. If I click on Full Grade Center, this opens up my gradebook on the right-hand side of the page. I also have the different view of seeing what needs grading. And know that there will be supplemental Grade Center training later in this course. Users and groups is where you can go to create groups and manage groups specific to your course needs. Ignore the Customization and Packages and Utilities menu. And finally at the bottom, the Help menu is there for you if you're needing any more information on this tool, Blackboard 9.1. Today we reviewed the control panel within Blackboard 9.1 and its functionality.